In this video, I'll show you how to climb Hogwarts Legacy for free on the Epic Game Store. Follow these simple steps and you will have the game in your library forever. All you have to do is open up Epic Games. If it doesn't have an Epic Games launcher, then download it. Open the Chrome and search Epic Games. Select the official site and select the download option. And after the download done, you just need to click on it and install the Epic Games launcher. After the installation done, open the Epic Games launcher. Next, sign in with your Epic account. If you are new, just create one using email and then the store will open up. In search store, you just need to search Hogwarts Legacy. You should see price marked as free for a limited time as you can see. Select the get option. The checkout page will loads up. The price is 0 as you can see. Just select the place order option. And now the game permanently added to your Epic Games library. Select the view in library option. Scroll down and select the Hogwarts Legacy and select the install option and the select the yes option and the download start as you can see over here. And that's it. You now own Hogwarts Legacy for free. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick guides.